मैं अबला नादान नहीं हूँ, दबी हुई पहचान नहीं हूँ, मैं स्वाभिमान से जीती हूँ, रखती अंदर खुददारी हूँ, मैं आधुनिक नारी हूँ। नमस्कार सभी का, नेशनल टाइम्स पे मैं हिमानी आपका स्वागत करती हूँ। और आज स्टूडियो में हमारे साथ एक ऐसी ही नारी मौजूद हैं जिन्होंने अपनी पहचान बनाई है, अपना देश छोड़कर दूसरे देश आना, फिर अपना बिजनेस स्टार्ट करना, और जो ये मंथ है, ये मार्च का पूरा महीना ही हम नारियों को समर्पित कर रहे हैं। इसलिए मैं स्वागत करती हूँ दिव्या जी का। वेलकम दिव्या जी। नमस्कार। जैसे हमने आपसे बात की, आप बिजनेस करती हैं, और मैं चाहूँगी कि आप हमारे सारे व्यूअर्स को बताएं कि बिजनेस करने का आपने कैसे सोचा, ये ख्याल माइंड में कैसे आया, और आपकी कनाडा आने की शुरुआत वहाँ से कैसे हुई?
Okay, basically, sorry, I can't speak Punjabi, so I
No worries, you can tell in English.
Yeah. So, thanks for a good introduction, and first of all, I would like to thank you for giving me this opportunity to, speak about my business. So, first instant, I did my human resource management course back in India, and I was working, almost 12 years I was working as an HR.
Okay.
And then all of a sudden, I thought, why don't I work for myself? That when I got this thought, and I was very passionate about clothing, styling, and designing outfits. And one of my cousin, she's working in a film background.
Okay.
And she told me she wanted someone who can design the outfits to the artists. So that when I got a thought, and I designed for a couple of artists back in Telugu industry.
Okay.
And then I thought I should have a brand. So that when I started my company called Smart Style.
Okay.
And from past 8 years back in India, I started doing this business.
Great.
And slowly I thought in 2023 I moved to Calgary. So I got married and I moved, and I was looking for opportunities, and then my husband told me why don't you kickstart your business here as well. So then I thought okay, why don't I design my stuff and bring in here, and very limited focus on Indian clothing here, right? And there are a lot of people who bring outfits from back in India for any events, and they're overnight if they need any outfit, they will not be finding any outfit. So I thought I have to design, and I started working on that, and now that I have a good client base.
Okay.
So people like you should help me out, to reach out.
Sure, to the wider community as
Yes.
well. Sure. So जैसे मुझे आपकी बातों में सबसे अच्छी ये बात लगी कि जैसे आप शादी के बाद मूव हुई, बट यू हैव करेज टू स्टार्ट समथिंग न्यू, और इसके अलावा आपके हस्बैंड की सपोर्ट, बिकॉज एज ए वुमेन हम बहुत बार सोचते हैं कि ये हो पाएगा कि नहीं हो पाएगा, बट जब हमारी फैमिली या हमारा लाइफ पार्टनर हमें उस चीज़ में सपोर्ट करे, देन चीज़ें बहुत ही सूदिंग हो जाती हैं.
Yes.
डू यू फील दैट?
Yes, I completely agree with that, because women, they can dream for it, but they do it, but unless and until they have an helping hand in the family, we cannot in the wider range, we cannot explore more. As I'm truly blessed, because my husband as well as my in-laws and my parents, they are completely supportive.
Yes.
And sometimes I might into a deep into designing, I'll forget about eating too.
Oh.
So sometimes I'll be getting a thought why don't I there are a lot of things people might be thinking wearing an outfit is easier, buying an outfit is easier, but designing itself is making
difficult,
no, right? So we have to think about the color combinations, we have to think about the skin tone, which personality fits into that particular outfit, right?
Okay.
So these are all the things needs to be very 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 crucial to design outfits.
Yeah.
So my husband whenever I go to the events, I make him I'll ask him multiple times, is this the outfit good, or do I need to do any changes? So he'll be oh my god, I became a model now for you. I mean, I've seen some reel in Instagram also, like, you know, being a designer, their family members becomes the models,
Okay.
right?
And
So
you can relate with that.
yes, yes. So like that's how, yeah, it's like good.
Okay. So because we are talking about the Women's Day,
Mhm.
और सबसे बड़ी बात यह है कि आज की नारी और जो हमारी मम्मियाँ थी वो जनरेशन की नारी उनमें बहुत फर्क है.
Yes.
According to you, what you feel like what are the positive changes you
Mhm.
notice and what about the negative changes?
Firstly, I go with positive changes. See, these days there is no limit. And we cannot, like, you know, only these things, like, you know, name about any profession. These days women are, like, you know, they are not sitting back,
Yeah.
and they are doing, being a pilot, being, like, you know, a computer science engineer, or any kind of an, like, you know, if you go into a construction also, people are going. If you see, like, I've seen so many people who are, like, you know, working in a big, like, you know, I can say, like, transit drivers,
Yeah.
women also,
Yeah,
like, you know,
agreed.
being part of handling the family as well as, you know, their profession, their passion. People like me, like, you know, though I'm a woman, though I've studied, but my parents have not stopped me to do my passion, right? So
Right.
like people are like that. And the negative thing aspects, if I would like to say is, I can say, I mean, they need some kind of an encouragement in the public, because like sometimes initially when I started my business, I can give my example by myself. Few of my like, you know, close friends fathers, why are you, like, you know, being a woman, why you are starting your business,
Oh.
like, you know, so you have to take care of your family, like, you know, they demotivate people. So it is like, you know, why can't women can do this?
Obviously.
That's like, you know, and some professions need 24/7, like, you know, police, like, you know, cops, and, like, you know, lawyers and all. They need, like, you know, need some more protection for them, because being a woman, they'll be very vulnerable, like, you know, sometimes, like, because of their health and the mood swings, right, as a woman. So I feel like, I mean, taking care of all of that, women are coming up these days in a good thought, and they are migrating from one place to another place. Like people like me, like they have moved from India to here, right, thinking that, like, you know, there'll be a kickstart, good start in a different country. So yeah, people are changing, like, you know, women life is like being, I won't say it is completely easier, but it's like, you know, developing.
Yes. जैसे इंडिया में आपने अपनी स्टडी कंप्लीट की, अगर हम इंडिया और कनाडा को कंपेयर करें तो आपको क्या लगता है कि कहाँ विमेन की लाइफ ज्यादा डिफिकल्ट है?
I would say, I don't want to discriminate the countries, but like I wanted to say in India, there are certain things, like, you know, here people are open-minded compared to Indian mindset, and there also there is a support. Here also there is a support, but you know, they have kind of an 100% freedom here to do what they want to.
Yeah.
But they will
Absolutely.
be like, you know, there will be lot of questions back in home in India. There'll be lot of questions, and there'll lot of discrimination before, like, you know, gender inequalities are lot of there. But here there is nothing like that.
Okay. जो आज की विमेन, पहले हम बात करते थे हमारी मम्मियों की, या फिर हम अपनी पुरानी जनरेशन की बात करें, so they have that thing that they are thinking about the other people.
Yes.
But आज की जो लड़कियां हैं, they are not thinking about like other ones. They are like they put themselves first.
Yes.
So what do you think about that? Is it fine? Is it fine?
Yes, it's absolutely fine, because people have to change that mindset of thinking about others. If we are doing something good and we are passionate about doing something good, then it is nothing to think of others, what people think of. Like, you know, people think. If we are doing something good also, people think. If we are doing bad also, people think. They
Yeah.
will not, like, we can't stop others to, like, you know, let not
चार लोग बोलेंगे.
Yes. Like if you are, I mean, like when I started my business, like, you know, there are a lot of people, like, you know, it was equally encouraging as well as discouraging. So if I would have thought of like, the people are talking bad about me, like, I'm earning like good amount, like why I started a business, leaving the job and all this thing, I would have not stood here talking to
Definitely,
you, right?
definitely.
So like, if we are thinking about others, I don't think we will be coping up and stepping up in our life.
ओके राइट सो अब हम वापस आते हैं आपके काम पे जो आपने शुरू किया, जिस करज के साथ आपने उसको शुरू किया. हम चाहते हैं हमारे व्यूअर्स को भी आप अपना स्टफ दिखाएं थोड़ा सा कि कैसे आप डिजाइनिंग करती हैं और कैसा वो है.
Okay, so you want me to show
Yeah,
my
yeah,
outfits?
definitely,
Yeah,
definitely.
sure.
I'm excited to see this.
I have painted, like, I have designed this saree.
Okay.
It's a hand painted one. It's a hand painted.
Nice.
Saree.
And you did this?
No, I have few designers. Like,
Okay.
I designed this, but they hand paint this.
Oh, nice.
So it took almost, it's a pure silk saree.
Okay.
And on this we paint, and it is like, it is my passion to like, design few stuffs. So like that. And this is another one I can show you. Like
Yeah,
there
yeah.
are blouses. I can show this. This is a blouse where
Beautiful.
we like, this is we call it as magam work.
Okay.
And we like, with lots of stones and pearls, kind of based on the saree contraction colors, we do all these things. And we have a warehouse back in India.
Okay.
Where we have like, almost 8 tailors
Okay.
and 1 master tailor.
Okay.
Who like, whatever the thought comes in, because of the time crunch, like, sometimes I have to sleep like, late night. And like, I have to be awake till 2 in the morning to tell them the design and tell them my ideas. First ideas, like I have to tell to the master, and master will be like, putting a skeleton kind of a thing, and then he'll be like, telling me his ideas. Because sometimes imaginary things will not be working out, right? So it has to be like, very good when it
Yeah.
comes to practical. So he tells me the color combinations and the fabric which goes, because all these are all the materials has to be thick material to stitch on. So that it will be properly, this work has to be properly
Yeah.
stitched.
Yeah,
So
absolutely.
that's the thing. So we have to be very careful in doing things. Yeah.
So the thing is, you are doing this and you are happily doing this.
Yes.
और बहुत सारी ऐसी women हैं जो सोचती हैं करने का, but वो कर नहीं पाती because of the 100 reasons they have.
Yes.
और अगर आपको कोई मैसेज देना हो, जो भी आपको सुन रहा है, तो what will be the message for them?
Firstly, I would like to say, like, please focus on what you think. And if you are good at, please go ahead and do. Please don't like, have multiple things in your mind, like, if I'm successful or if I'm failure. Please enjoy the journey, put the efforts, and definitely the journey and the efforts give you the results. Please don't think of results and start your journey. Enjoy the journey. Definitely you will succeed in your life.
वही जो मैं भी एक बात कहना चाहूंगी कि मंजिल की चिंता मत करो, बस रास्ते पे चलो. क्या पता रास्ते में आपको कुछ ऐसे सबक मिल जाएं जो मंजिल से भी ज्यादा खूबसूरत हों.
True. That's true.
तो ये थे हमारे साथ दिव्या जी, और हमें प्राउड होता है ये बताते हुए कि अपनी कंट्री से आकर किसी दूसरी कंट्री में करज के साथ अपना बिजनेस शुरू करना और इस मुकाम तक पहुंचना कि वो आप सबके लिए एक प्रेरणा बन सके. इसलिए हम थैंक यू करते हैं दिव्या जी का आज यहाँ हमारे साथ आपके पास बात करने के लिए. थैंक यू दिव्या जी.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much for giving me this opportunity, and I'm very much pleased to be participate in this. Like, it's a Women's Day special,
Yeah.
right? So I tell all the women to do their, like, be happy and do their own, like, passionate things to do in their life, and all the very best.
थैंक यू. अब हमें दीजिए इजाजत. धन्यवाद.